be fair, I'm not even gonna bother with an intro because it's literally just kicked off straight away.
I don't know what was in my cab, but
There was a clip bang downstairs.
well, let's shut the door and see if the clip bang upstairs then. Come on upstairs, come on in.
That sounded like someone was coming in, sort of noise, like walking on the floor. I found a letter and I brought it with me.
But wouldn't they have shouted like, "Hello, is anyone there?" or something?
And you would have heard a car pull off for a start.
It's a Betsy Curry.
I'll take it we're starting in here then. Your phone on airplane mode before we do anything.
What, for me as well? And we're going to do 3, 2, 1.
That was me.
I'm gonna do mine. Ready?
Just give me the count and press play.
3, 2, 1. Shut the fuck up.
That was for one, upstairs, not outside. I heard it in my head. And twice then I heard a baby crying.
I heard scurrying
Right, ready?
over there.
Fuck. That was a whisper then. Told you.
Oh my god, I'm flashing on, I do apologise.
Do you know then? Caught a breath. I heard what's that? And then footsteps. What I've got online. Do you want to have a listen? But why was it buzzing?
Yeah.
It's like a Hoover.
Up there.
So I took it, I I was aware I was seeing stuff. I saw a couple of flashes as well, so I thought I'd take a picture. I didn't mean to do the one with the flash on, and then did the other one. Why does my throat sound weird?
Looks like you've gone really like croaky.
Yeah, I just noticed it and went, what the fuck?
You heard it clearly then.
Yeah, I know. What the fuck?
You heard it clearly then.
Yeah, I know. Well, I don't need to cough. I literally felt like I had to breathe with it when I... Like, it was hyperventilating almost.
Oh.
That was a very strange feeling.
No. Oh.
What did you catch?
Could have been the angle I took it at. There was a jump. Jeez!
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Scared me.
Why are you winking?
Why is it creepy?
Yo.
What?
Why is it so bright?
That is weird. If there's just a touch of light, it lights up the whole room.
And also you've got like IR and that shit's fucking bright.
I've not noticed anything yet.
What?
The belly's not making noise. Oh, cat ball, cat ball, cat
Oh.
ball.
Were you playing with the curtains before?
I just turned my little talkie thing on, but I put it so you can't hear what it. There we go. So you can't hear what it says. It's just come up with November.
We're in August.
I'm not gonna say exactly what it is, because on my Instagram story I said it was a surprise that's hopefully being filmed in November.
Ah, yes, sir. Did you catch the cat ball when it went off?
Yeah.
Sorry, Karen's talking. Make sure it's on. My talking thing is on with no volume either. I just had a sort of flash in the hallway.
I told you I keep seeing shit.
Are you looking in the mirror?
Yeah.
I can show you forward.
You're being rude.
Isn't it revolting foolish? Who are you referring to when you're saying all these horrible things? You've got me, who's Jack, Rochelle to my left,
Hello.
Cody over there. Can you give us one of them names? We'd be more than happy to say yes or no. That wasn't your stomach then?
No, that's not like I'm talking.
Okay. Very high pitch.
No, I want my tummy. For my tummy, I tell you. Julia.
What are Anne's? Alison, Aaron, Anne.
Hey, hey, hey.
Hey, hey, hey.
Hey.
There's oi, oi, oi when you need them.
See, the wind's blowing now, but the curtain's not moving.
Oh, pardon me.
It's all the wind.
Would you move the curtain again for us if you're there? Just a little bit.
Or make that cat ball go off like you did earlier on that door.
Is all my foot?
No.
Shouldn't, because for some odd reason they're taking a lot more.
Get confused.
Yeah.
You just said something.
Documents.
Thank you.
But wait, look at the car. So that, yeah, okay.
How can that be? It said rosemary and they were religious. You got rosemary beads in here somewhere?
Rosary.
Oh, maybe not. I'm confused too.
Why are
Sorry.
you confused?
That looks really creepy. I can see my reflection in the TV. I don't like that.
Yeah, that could almost be classed as some sort of a black mirror.
No, but it's like you point your torch here.
What was that?
That was
Your
me.
stomach again.
That was me. You know when your throat makes that really weird noise. Well, that's just it.
That's just water dripping off the roof. It's behind
Yeah,
the
it's
wall.
too
in the corner.
constant.
It's behind
Yeah,
the
it's
wall.
too
in the corner.
constant, isn't it? Just barely.
Oh, that was that.
That was metal, mate.
It's interesting, isn't it?
It likes being rude.
I'm confused.
What did you do
Hang
for a
on,
job?
hang on. Unless they have got some sort of like dementia or something, maybe. And
What they
because
were.
they said they're confused.
This also said documents.
Well, we know the lady passed away, obviously, because there, and she was in hospital, and there was all sympathy cards. Hope she gets well. And next
Oh
minute,
my god.
What?
I just saw a white figure. I just saw. Hang on, Kate, just tell me, are you the only one with the light on right now, mate?
Yep.
I definitely just saw something then. Yeah, obviously this the slight mirror that's straight up here on the left. Where would that be? Where would that be?
There, behind Cody.
Yeah, I shit you not, I just saw a white. I can't even describe what it was, but it was there. It went left out the mirror.
And it said guest.
100% saw it. Because I thought, that's why I asked for the light, because I thought,
You're not listening.
shit again, what the fuck? I'm trying to, but if you want to show yourself again, that'd be mint.
That's awesome. You're pointing at the mirror and shining over it.
Yeah, I know, because it's good days, isn't it? It was there, I saw it. I saw something white go. It was here. And I just saw it again, there.
Okay, I really don't want this vape anymore.
Oh, sorry.
There's ashes on the floor.
I'll clean it out.
You're welcome.
Mine says you're not listening.
Nah, we're chilling. Give us a reason to run,
There we go.
and we might. If I could just see the top of Cody's head now from where I'm sat. It was like halfway, there you go. But it was like where your head is, it was a good foot above your head.
Great.
Knife? We're now knife.
No.
No, we're running. What are you going to do, make us a sandwich?
You're not doing anything with a
Also,
knife.
tap behind you on that wall.
It might have been me, go like this.
No.
What?
Too many. Looks like a little tap on the floor.
Yeah, I did. I even chilled then.
Oh. You've got the water. I thought I heard like a little tap on the floor, and then you know, like when wood like pops,
Crackle, yeah.
sounded like that.
How's everybody Curtis going to this car? See if we debunk the big one. Yes, that's definitely a car doing that. But there is no wind.
Depersonalizing.
That's a big word.
I don't even actually know that's like
Not renovating as such.
They're depersonalising the person, making them not someone that they used to be.
degrading, which is exactly what they're doing on your thing.
And there is no bed.
told you we want you in the front room for like, what would it be, 2300 ASAP. Don't be late.
Stop asking. Or maybe like the soldiers in the room with us already. No.
Someone else really fucking annoying.
That's why I said to you, I've come Turkish before, it's weird. Yeah, yeah, it can. What was that? Oh, was that one?
Something's touching my leg.
Hang on, I swear I've just seen something flying. Oh, oh.
Oh, can you get off my leg?
I just saw something like, it must have been a moth or something, it went there, it went...
Dowd in a puffer.
Hello, anyone in the hallway? Where did you fight then if you were in the war? They've got to be over there. Yeah, I know it's
It's
bright.
just a thruster 60.
Thruster 60.
Trust us.
I'm watching.
Is that?
See, I can't hold my head up properly. It's like
Charlotte.
I can sit like this, but try and pull it off. It hurts. And sit like this, and it's fine. It feels heavy to be pushed like this.
Is that significant to you with the head thing?
You were a pretty bride. What year was your wedding?
Beg.
Bed. Inside voice.
Hunter.
I just saw a light. I just saw a light pass, like, see where my shadow is? It went,
Sit.
yeah, we are sitting.
If you could sit down in that chair.
Yeah, that's funny.
We could either hear you or the cat will go off.
Come here.
where my side is. He just went, oh. Oh, this is strong gas.
Oh shit.
That's what 580 did.
Yeah, but at the front it should be like, whoop. It's gonna have a fucking TV on when it's all fire.
Right foot.
Yeah, I respect you watching over this place. It's bloody, it's a quite
Right
nice
foot,
place.
turn right.
Turn right.
That way.
Oh my god. That has not done that the whole time.
That's not even done that when cars have gone past.
I would have seen it. Come on, if you give it a little wiggle, open it all the way. I know you can do it. Like I said, it's 100% not the car.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
I went like that.
Nope, there's a whistle. Fucking made me jump now.
Oh, so I was
Fucking-
copying. That's my ice cold jet on the right. My leg is freezing.
I'm hoping I've got that on film.
Well, try the door again. You've just seen me play with it.
Want us to go upstairs, open the door for us, please? Or try and push it open for us.
I didn't realise there was a little cup up there.
Yeah.
The number 10, trustful, and then beast. Well, I don't think that word and trustful goes very well.
What's your name?
Jack.
I'm Michelle.
And I'm Cody.
What's your name?
Yeah, what's your name? My left side is really hot, my right side is really cold.
The whole of me's fucking freezing.
That ball. Alright. Kitten's moving. Is that you trying to show us that
Did you hear that?
Oh.
What was that? Fuck,
Static. I've got static.
Got my
I
goosebumps.
don't know if I've got goosebumps, but my arm's static, you know.
Oh!
Oh my god, thank you.
Ain't
I
no
imagine it's trying to say its name.
track. Ain't no way Ash just said Elijah.
You alright, dude?
My
Oh,
legs.
sir.
Oh my god, both my legs. Holy fuck. They feel literally, I just feel like I've just jumped into an ice bath.
Yeah, that's how I feel.
What was your...
Are you in front of me right now? Yeah.
Oh.
I knew you were. What?
It's literally...
That sounded weird.
It's literally 5
You.
to 11.
Yeah, did
Oh
you
my
hear
god,
that?
yeah, I said come here 2300.
Oh, and
I
again.
have gone ice. I'm not even I'm joking.
Curtain. Fuck off. Did you not see that? It went up and straight back down.
Told you. Isaiah, is this you? Thank you for coming in. Do you want me to explain to you your brief for the next time you go out? Yeah.
Wait. This literally just said wait.
Yeah, just take a seat here, in front of me where I've just pointed. Take a seat. Thank you. Could you just adjust the curtains a little bit as well, because this one is a little bit too open. Right, so you got all your kit ready for the next day? We need you up at 0600. You need your Bergen ready, uniform, socks, boots, the lot. And you may need to pack cold gear as well, depending on where we think that we're going to deploy you. That's understood, because you just stand up and sit back down.
Mine's also said confused.
Mine said forgiveness. An evil deed, crime, or wrongdoing.
What's that?
Malefaction is a noun. That means an evil deed, crime, or wrongdoing.
Nothing you do as evil, you want to be commanded by your... You never left.
It can also refer to a criminal or bad act or behaviour. For example, stealing, hurt someone, or lying to the police are all malefactions.
Were you
What the fuck was that noise?
It was behind you. I heard it. It was a low moan. It was a proper like... What's that for Minecraft?
So used in a sentence, it's my only malefaction was choosing the wrong man to marry. So basically means bad.
Oh, when you do something bad then.
Yada yada yada.
Pardon me.
Someone took me again or poked me.
What was your commanding role when you served?
Yeah, what was your rank?
That's the word.
Hey, what was your rank when you served?
Serve me a cheeseburger, I'm hungry. Oh, excuse me.
What? Cheeseburger?
And me. Do you like cheeseburgers? I can't. Oh, I'm really cold.
I got like back to alright, but my legs were really... When that started going off like that, my legs were going freezing.
Could you sit back down on this chair in front of us, please? The one that no one sat in. Come sit down with us and have a conversation. And talk to us. Lucy, that's a nice name. Was that the name of your horses or your dogs? What one?
Voices. Radio.
Box.
Radio box?
Well, I had box and he had radio.
Maybe it was a radio reconnaissance.
Video kills the radio.
Wait, this also said voices before it said radio.
It might be
So
radio.
spirit box. Spirit box? Spirit box.
No, there's only the one.
Said that. Legs are going freezing cold again.
I've only got one.
Yeah,
I was supposed to have two, but it failed miserably.
I'm really cold. Performing.
Isaiah, what was your rank when you served in the military?
Your rank was Susan. Good to know.
That was the name of one of the cars I ripped for to get well.
Oh, shit.
I remember. Is it safe now, Sarah?
Well, I think
I'm not going to snort up fucking
No, I've already had it.
Deirdre, whatever she's called.
I've done a line of
Well, her
Deirdre.
name was, it was Dean Airy. Dean Airy.
I
Whatever
still
her name
think it
was.
was
Denary.
Darcy, but it was like Darcy.
But it was Dean. D-E-A-N.
It wasn't.
It
It
was.
was an R.
It wasn't. It
It
was
was
an
a
N.
fancy R. It went up and then down to the S.
Is your name Darcy? Sit on that seat over there to let us know. Your wife's name.
What if that's not the wife? Or what if that's not even Ashes?
No, they're Ashes, Cody. They're definitely Ashes.
Well, then what if they're not hers?
Interesting.
They're trying. I think
Stop pointing at me.
Fine, fuck you, make it easy.
4 spirits.
I could say every time you twist it, I can't see anything.
I think because it doesn't have. I heard that then. It doesn't have rosary in its word bank, and rosemary is the closest thing to it.
Oh shit, that's cool. There's a star or something lined up exactly where I sat in the corner of the door.
Oh.
One single star, really bright.
Oh. I'm not gonna lie.
Afterlife. try Esther's method for a couple minutes, and if that don't work, call it quits.
Yeah, sounds good.
You want fucking crack some?
Yes. No, I'm kidding. I'm not.
You said you probably might try something.
I'm not doing it.
I'll try it.
Funny.
I'll have to find a way to record myself, but I'll try it.
I'll record you. I've got a really bad pain in the bottom of my back. That was me knocking that.
Chuck charger there. Oh, was that you?
Well, no, that should have stopped by now.
I just heard a big long hug. May I touch you?
I shall pick that up and place it gently on the table.
It was on the sofa, sorry. I just didn't want it going up my bum.
Oh, that was me.
Radio, kill the radio.
And me bag and I'll go under.
I'm jamming, sorry. Hey! It's the coach there.
Anomalies.
Friend.
Oh, friends.
Pass me my bag, I'll get the Esther's gear out of it. Oh, shoot.
Sorry.
Never
What?
mind, I don't have my headphones. Oh well. Still use the box.
Oh, shit. Why don't you have... Could have told me it was open.
Hoping.
Thank you.
Oh, damn. The
Oh,
book.
no.
My belly.
What was that?
My belly.
What's up, Woody? Listen. Saw torture?
You were doing the army.
No, saw as in S-A-W. Oh, hang on. Well, shit. Sorry, brain didn't turn on there.
Brain no commute.
Brain disconnected. Connection interrupted from brain.
There we go. Oh.
Has that been set up the whole time?
No.
I've just put that down.
Hello.
Is there anything that could be interfering with that?
No, you got to touch it. There's nothing near it.
Yeah, this is how close you've got to get to it.
Damn.
Stone.
You reset it.
That shouldn't be. That shouldn't be anyone.
See the line?
Just grab hold of it and let go. Why is it baselining?
Move
Did you
it.
bend the antenna or something?
No.
Yes, move it and then try again. What the fuck was that?
Very long legs again.
Nothing.
Interesting.
Debunked by the codester. Put it back.
I'll try again. Fucking daddy long legs gonna fucking squish you.
You leave me alone. Stay.
Going again.
Speak. Hello.
Just squish it.
I don't want to kill it in case it's dangerous.
Could you come over and touch that? Yeah, keep going, touch that. If you're asking for a cup of tea, I'll have 2 sugars,
It
please.
keeps unshapeable, and now it's stopped.
Could you go back to this device
Oh.
on... Thank you.
I'll have 2 sugars in your tea. You're always here.
Could you get closer to it? It changes colour in a different tune for us, please. Thank you. What the fuck?
What?
I heard a...
My friend will have 1 sugar and the other one will have a sweetener if that's alright, Del. You got PG tip.
I like Tetley. Keep getting closer, make it change a different colour. Grab the top, the antenna. Grab that, please.
I have to leave now, so...
Yeah, to make me a cup of tea.
Oh, me knee.
Clearly you
What?
don't, because you're setting the REM pod off.
Go back. Thank you.
Have a tea, please. Yeah, we know it was. And we're just visiting.
Grab the antenna for me, please. It won't hurt
Oh.
you. It's nothing bad.
It's flat.
Has it died?
The button on the thing's broken.
How?
I don't know.
He's fucked it.
It's like there's a little like crack there that goes all the way through.
I have been here before, yes.
Oh. For fuck's sake. That's it. Keep going. Get closer. Touch it.
Yeah, if you pass me a cup of tea, I believe.
Get closer. Come on. Come on. Get closer to
I
it,
don't
please.
think I'm just so erratic like that before.
This has never done that before. This one. It won't work at all.
Switch is lit. So it's on.
Oh, so it's flat then.
It shouldn't be flat.
You're an angel. Ooh.
That sounds like Morse code.
Well, I mean,
Yeah.
Zara would know it.
If any of my viewers know Morse code and that's saying something, please tell me what it is.
I swear I just heard a voice say "get back." I thought it was one of them going off.
I know what to try.
Morse code, yeah, we know it's quite hard. I've gone freaking ice cold again. I know dot 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 dash dash dot dot dot, which is obviously SOS, but I don't know anything else. Give us a signal through that. Let's make.
This won't be
Sorry.
helpful because I'll be able to hear everything.
Dot dot dash 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 dot. Yeah. Dash. Dot. 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 Dash. Dot.
That was me.
Chaos.
Did that sound like a dog barking then?
I don't know dog bark.
Is that what that is? Like, or is that what
I'm
she
hearing.
said?
I'm just saying it, so when you go back on the recording, you might be able to potentially look for decoding it, because there are more decoders online.
I swear I heard a dog bark.
I mean,
Dot
it's a-
dash. Dot. Dot.
I'm gonna try.
Not
What the
really.
fuck was that?
Belly.
Oh.
Dot. No, I'm saying dot, not what.
That was me on the sofa.
Give
Sorry?
us a message in Morse code then on that beepy thing so we can hear you. Dot dot.
What are you doing?
Shit.
That is Morse code. That is.
It's Morse code, I told you.
But it went. Yeah, we know.
I'm gonna try what's called automatic writing,
Oh, good
Oh,
luck.
I've never seen someone do this in person.
but I won't have the thing to cover my ears.
You look so weird without glasses, by the way.
I know I do.
You're so beautiful, darling.
Fuck off.
Right, so that's what he's doing.
I'm gonna just keep saying dot dot dash when I think.
There we go.
Now we've got Morse code
Quiet,
going on here.
Quiet.
Actually writing anything. No, I'm not.
Dot dot. That's emergency.
Cheers.
It's a Morse code emergency, I think. Maybe that means yes. I don't know. I don't know Morse code.
Yes, it just went. It just did it again. Do the do again if he's right. So if you're doing Morse emergency Morse code, he go boop boop really quick for us, please. Thank you.
Yeah, 2 for yes, 1 for no. Is this Isaiah we're talking to? Isaiah. Yeah, he's going to do it then. Did you enjoy your bicycle? Bicycle. Did you enjoy your time during your service? Yeah. Yeah.
Did you get many medals?
Beep for how many medals you got. Damn. No, I know, I'm trying to. I'd like to. You should keep sending the beeps of dots and dashes, and you know how to do them now. Just deep, deep, and then with the dash, yeah? No, you're not alive. That was SOS.
Mhm.
Dot the dot, dash, dash, dot the dot.
He's traumatized by something, isn't he? Oh my god, I need feeding.
Whoa. I just saw a black orb. Yeah, I imagine you did murder a few people, but they were all bad and they all deserved it. You have to understand this, Isaiah. People you killed were the enemy.
So we're here to do bad, and you saved us from that.
Yeah. Later.
Oh my god.
Attached. Yeah, we know. You're a nice bit chick, Mary.
Let's have a look.
Okay, I thought I was writing all over the page, I wasn't.
Let me have a look. Let me show them.
Two on there that stand out. 4 visible rooms.
Let's get the torch on it.
That felt really weird.
No, it's not big enough for that.
Never considered doing that.
So we've got SOS, plain. Hey,
So the little line.
blonde, eye.
like weird. The words there.
And
The SOS, and that was when I turned around and went, like,
Hoot?
oh, I don't know if I'm writing. What?
hoot? The H one.
Hey.
No, there's another one.
You've got hey. There should be hey, out, and get on there.
Ah.
Betsy. Have a look, Cody.
What's
Betsy,
that
the
one?
name of your plane?
Oh, yeah.
What?
Come look at how I wrote get out, because I wrote them two separate, at two separate times.
To get out, yeah.
I wrote them right next to each other, and
Oh shit, yeah.
I did it at two separate times,
Oh.
because I went out first.
Dot dash dot. Dot dash dot. Dot dash. Hang on.
With that, I feel like
I
that's
wonder what
like a
these
trail.
squirrels are for though.
I don't know, I just felt like...
What's it? At, hay, blade.
Hang on. Oh no, that's,
Oh, so I hit his head.
I did. I banged my
I can't remember what
I cannot believe it. Excuse me, sir. Could you please steady?
I think that's actually meant to... No, that's out.
Step away from the REM pod now, please.
I didn't write a second out. I don't remember writing a second out.
Right, I'm going. Right,
Yeah.
Cody, let's call this.
Yeah, we're calling that.
Right, go do your outro.
Yeah, give me a minute to
Oh, it's done.
back up.
Can you be quiet? Damn. No, I will not go where you tell me to go. No,
What if this
Ben.
torch is dying?
Oh, I found the lid to that thing.
Mm.
We could add a lid anyway.
The red one, would it?
Right, I'm gonna stop this REM pod.
Yeah, stop it now.
Let's do my edit. Right, Cody, I don't mean to be a bitch, but can we?
Yeah.
Turn mine off.
I was thinking that when I was done with automatic writing, like calling it.
It's
anyway.
you! It's you! Who just touched my hair?
That might have been me.
Motherfucker.
They're very comfy sofas, though, aren't
They are really comfortable. That pretty picture. Look at that. Pretty picture. Look at that. Pretty picture.
I'll have a look in the car if I get signal to see if I can figure out what that Morse code you put down translates to if it does.
Mm. Nothing behind there, nothing special.
So yes, dot 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 dash dash dot 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 SOS.
Yeah, you know that shit. I don't know nothing.
That's the only one I know.
And I wrote, the first thing I wrote was SOS because that was the first thing that came to my mind.
Did you hear me?
But then afterwards I was out of it. I was like gone.
I recorded you doing it a bit. I kept panning back over to you and then back to the REM pod and looking around a bit so they don't get a bit bored.
I hope you got the way I acted because I was really strange. Fucking asshole. It felt as if
No.
somebody was like trying to shake me.
Do it again.
I
They're
went
trying to what?
No.
Ah! I was too close up. Do it again.
You could have just sat there like this, book in hand, pen in hand, and it literally just felt as if somebody had gone like that.
Oh. Took over your hands.
No,
No, wait.
so it's like this?
Like, you know when like somebody like grabs your shoulders and goes like that.
No, I thought you meant literally that action, because it was like that. He could be a tank driver.
Or a plane.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Because
It's
they-
normally
I'm
one
not too
joystick.
sure where.
Oh, I
is,
thought
but
it was
didn't-
two.
I didn't feel hands on me. It just
No,
felt
no,
like
so when you drive a tank, it's two to go forwards, two to go back, and then you pivot this way to turn that way, and that way to turn this way. It turns the tracks like against each other to turn.
I've got
Oh.
everything.
Maybe, I don't know. But besides, you're a very, very
Yeah,
kind
right.
gentleman. Come to talk to us, makes us feel cold.
Here you go.
Quickly.
Yeah, no, quickly now.
appreciate
Stop.
your
We need to go.
Yes, we kind of. One of the messages that came from your phone, we kind of do have yeah, fishy face.
That's it for the House of Broken Mirrors investigation. We are getting out of here. I will see you all soon. Bye, guys.